Hello everyone. Today I will tell you some amazing future internet technologies. 1. Google's Project Loon. The objective of this project is to expand the internet connectivity to unserved and underserved areas around the globe. Balloons flying 20 kilometers up in the stratosphere will be delivering internet connectivity. So in future every inch of the world is going to be connected 24/7. Estimated cost for this project is tens of thousands of US dollars per balloon. Loon project is going to be the combined advancements in materials science, atmospheric modeling, machine learning and communication systems and more. 2. Facebook's AQUILA drones. The objective of this project is to design solar-powered drones. Those will be used as atmospheric satellite and will work as relay stations for providing internet connectivity to remote areas and lands. Facebook launched its testing drone in 2016 and then in 2017 it was fully functional and working. The project is still not yet complete and the budget for this project has not yet been disclosed by Facebook. 3. SpaceX Satellites. SpaceX is planning to launch 4,000 disposable satellites around 750 miles into the atmosphere in order to provide uninterrupted internet connectivity to the world and also provide the means of achieving high-speed internet. This project is owned by Tech Mogul Elon Musk and also backed by Google and Fidelity. Estimated cost of this project is $1 billion US. 4. OneWeb Satellites. OneWeb Satellites is also planning to launch 600 plus satellites 750 miles into the atmosphere that will be used to beam the high-speed internet so that even partially remote areas can be covered. And internet connectivity is not disrupted at all. This project is backed by Richard Branson and Board of Business Moguls. Estimated cost for this project is from $1 to $2 billion US. I hope you liked the information. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more informative videos. Thank you and bye-bye.